to watch and to participate into this competition, and it's been amazing for us. And like Chef Julie has been amazing at demonstrating techniques to us that we've tried to replicate in the kitchen.
And I want to go and immerse myself into a new career in food, and patisserie is my passion.
It's been such a massive honour to be selected, first of all, from all the other people to come to the finals and to be able to come and demonstrate what I can do in the finals. It's just been such a great experience.
It's really something when you see somebody have that light bulb moment of realising that they can actually do what they dream about doing as a paid job. The standard of the finalists today was very high. A lot of them have some very creative ideas that are quite refined for their skill level.
The main winner, Bianca Tia Messuria.
Bianca Tia Messuria. I am the winner of the Julia Child Scholarship 2019. Today was an amazing day. I can't believe I've even made it to the semi-finals, let alone to the finals. This is just a dream come true. This whole thing feels like a dream still. I can't wait to start this new chapter in my life, my new career. And finally my dream of becoming a pastry chef. I want to build a social enterprise which teaches people how to bake as a form of therapy, and give back to the community by having a community hub that teaches people how to bake, how to cook.